How to invest in real estate in any market. Here is the summary. We have talked about all these things before. I'm just going to summarize everything and tell you about the pros and cons of each one of them. Okay, so we talk about the traditional buy and hold type of investment. So you buying a property, you're renting it forever. Basically, the tenants will pay it off for you, and over time you build equity on it, and you own something tangible that puts money in your pocket. It's probably one of the simplest ones to start with, especially if you start with something small. This is a great place for a starter. Okay, buy a condo perhaps. It has its own pros and cons again. Condo is easier to manage. You can buy a condo and rent it out and build some experience on top of that, build some equity, and then buy other things. Number two was the flip. So if you're okay, you understand constructions and all that stuff, you can buy homes that need some work, renovate them, and sometimes even rent it for a while, then sell it, or sell it right away, depending on where you are. Pros and cons is 6 months turnaround, you get the return on your investment. And if you're somebody who doesn't want to stay in that investment for a long time, this is a good project for you. Other ones are pre-construction. Pre-construction is like options you buy in the stocks. You tie up a property that's $800,000 with 20% of it for many years and enjoy the benefit of, appreciation. It's been working very well for people. And the good thing is with pre-construction is not like stock market's options that it burns. No, you still have a chance to buy it. You can rent it. You can assign it. There's so many things you can do. That is good for people who don't want to deal with tenants. So they want to buy something a few years from now, sell it, pocket the investment. And then there's building a home. You can buy a knockout home. You can buy infill lands. Build a custom-made home. We talked about that you have to have a lot more equity on this one, and also for this one, and then have a little bit deeper pocket, and a turnaround of about 2 years, 18 months to 2 years by the time you buy something. You get a permit, you find someone, knock it down, build it up. You're looking at about 18 to 24 months, give or take. And then we talked about the commercial, and a commercial is a different ball game. It's a different animal because the turnarounds are different. Sometimes between the two tenants that come in and go, let's say you own a plaza, and there's a lot more involved in that, running the plaza. And when one tenant leaves, maybe about 6 months of lost rents. By the time you get another person come and do the decorations and so on, so you have to have a deeper pocket. However, the rewards on commercial, risk is higher, reward is a lot higher too. If you manage to bring an anchor client, the value of a property, commercial property, it depends on how much money he puts in the pocket of the owner. All of these are great, but you know what? Where do you start? You got to define your budget and your risk tolerance and the amount of time that you have to manage your property. Okay? Once you talk to us, give us a call. We can help you. 647-848-2652. We'll sit down and analyze your whole situation, not just the money. It's not just the money. People say, "Oh, I have this much, I want to." No, but you gotta see, where do you feel comfortable? How much involvements can you have? Do you want to hire a property management, or do you want to run it yourself? And all that stuff. And what is your risk factor? How much risk are you willing to accept? And put all these things together, we can come up with a custom-made, tailor-made, if you will, for you only, that matches your criteria, your budget, and your risk level. We are a real estate consultant. Give us a call. We can help you out. 647-848-2652. Text, call. You can email me, or you can DM me on this channel. We put out a lot of good information out here about real estate. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. We'll let you know when the new video is coming up. And if you have any question, put it on the chat. If you like this, like it. I love it. If you have comments, we can handle it. Let us know what your comments are, but also what you think. We really appreciate it. Until tomorrow, have a fantastic day. We're going to start a new subject tomorrow. Everything about investments was really covered here. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you tomorrow.